Goodbye to being poor. Hello to financial abundance. This will be in your bed by July, and you'll always have money for the rest of the year. If you want to improve your finances and attract unexpected money into your life, I'm going to share some ancient secrets that can really help. But first, it's important to understand something. Your bed is special. While you sleep, your mind is very active, and your bed seems connected to the world's energy. Did you know that the inside of pyramids looks like beams of light? These structures create a strong energy field, which is why the pharaohs were buried there. Some people even place pyramid-like objects on their beds or build their homes in pyramid shapes. Why pyramids? I want you to realize how much our surroundings affect us. Where we are influences how we feel and what we do. The practices we'll discuss are based on this concept. These habits can shift your emotions, especially at night, and bring positive changes into your life if you put certain items under your bed. Don't just take my word for it. Give it a try yourself and see the difference. The pyramids were designed to harness and amplify energy, creating a powerful environment for those buried inside. Similarly, our surroundings play a crucial role in shaping our emotions and actions. By being mindful of what we place around and under our bed, we can harness this energy to attract financial abundance. Think of your bed as a central hub of energy that connects you to the larger universe. When you place specific items under your bed, you are essentially setting the stage for positive changes in your life. Wise figures like Jesus of Nazareth taught that everyone has the potential to achieve great things. Though I'm not Jesus, my own experiences have shown me that we all have the power to make incredible changes in our lives. What I want to share with you revolves around the concept of mentalism, a principle I discovered in my teenage years. Mentalism is the belief that our emotions and thoughts are incredibly powerful and can shape the physical world around us. Whether it's health, wealth, or love, what we focus on in our minds can become reality. Ancient thinkers like Hermes Trismegistus believed that our inner world reflects our outer world, and the two are deeply connected. This means that to manifest what we desire, we need to concentrate on our goals and believe in ourselves. This understanding has taught me that there is always a path forward, even during difficult times. Think back to moments when everything seemed to fall into place effortlessly. This feeling is what you can achieve with the practice I'm about to introduce. This simple ritual can significantly impact your life by helping you attract what you seek, be it new opportunities or more money. It encourages you to explore new possibilities and find the magic in everyday life. Remember, life is full of delightful surprises. Jesus emphasized that true happiness comes from within, and when you cultivate inner joy, everything else tends to fall into place, naturally. Now let's dive into the special ritual I'm about to share with you. Take your time and enjoy the process. Don't put too much pressure on yourself. Just have fun with it. This unique practice has the potential to change your life, but the key is to approach it with curiosity and openness. Don't just take my word for it. Experience it for yourself. There's no obligation, just an invitation to explore something new. Are you ready to embark on this exciting adventure with me? If so, let me know in the comments by saying, I am ready to attract my blessings. First, we need to gather the items for this important ritual. Start with a clean glass jar. Glass jars hold a certain kind of energy that will be crucial for our practice. Next, get 3 cloves of garlic and a few bay leaves. Each of these items has its own unique power that will contribute to the effectiveness of our ritual. You'll also need a coin from your country. It doesn't have to be a valuable coin, just one that represents the energy of money. Choose this coin carefully, as it will play a significant role in our practice. We also need some spices. Either a cinnamon stick or a teaspoon of cinnamon powder will work. Cinnamon is known for its powerful energy that can help attract abundance. The final item is rice, which is often seen as a symbol of prosperity. With these items ready, we're set to move forward with our ritual. Let's see how these simple yet powerful components can help us attract positive changes in our lives. So what happens next? We need to infuse the jar with positive energy. Begin by taking a moment to reflect on what wealth means to you personally. For me, wealth signifies peace, calm, and a life free from stress. Imagine all your worries disappearing, leaving you feeling joyful and content. Think about how having money gives you the freedom to make choices without financial constraints. It allows you to go on vacations, enjoy delicious meals, or try new experiences without worry. To start, take 5 to 10 minutes to really connect with these thoughts and feelings. Visualize yourself in a state of abundance and freedom, truly feeling wealthy. This step is crucial. So take your time and immerse yourself in the sensation of being rich. Once you feel deeply connected to this idea of wealth, we can move on to the next part of the ritual. Next, we start the ritual. Begin by placing 8 bay leaves into the jar. The number 8 represents infinity, symbolizing eternal security and abundance. As you add the leaves, visualize abundance flowing into your life. Now, add 3 garlic cloves, which signify protection. Think of these cloves as safeguarding the flow of abundance, ensuring nothing can block it. After the garlic, add the cinnamon, either as a stick or as powder. Don't forget to include a coin or bill. It must be real money, not old or unusable currency. Being genuine and sincere during this entire process is crucial. Each item in this ritual holds a specific meaning and contributes to its energy. If you want to amplify the feeling of abundance and attract more wealth, you can add extra cinnamon, as it symbolizes prosperity and good fortune. Next, take a good look at the bill or coin and say, "Money flows to me from all directions and in all forms." Repeat this affirmation several times. I receive money from many different sources and in many different ways. Money comes to me in various forms. Into my bank account as income. As gifts, I attract money from everywhere and in every way. Secure the jar with its lid and focus on positive thoughts. Imagine it as a lucky charm drawing wealth and good things to you. Place this charm under your bed. Picture how a magnet pulls metal towards it. Visualize this charm under your bed, constantly attracting money and positivity. As you do this, remember that your emotions send signals to the universe. Your heart signals align with the universe's, attracting what you desire. Envision yourself as a powerful money magnet with this charm enhancing your ability to attract wealth. Enjoy the feeling you get when you talk about money. This time, spray your favorite perfume on a bill to make it smell like you. Keep this bill with you at all times. Whenever you smell it, say affirmations like, "It's easy for me to attract money. I effortlessly draw money to myself." Or "I am a magnet for money. It flows to me with ease." Visualize this positive energy infusing the bill and being with you. Let it charge overnight. In the morning, repeat, "I am skilled at attracting money." Instead of worrying about finances, imagine having plenty. When you smell the bill, think of abundance. Every time you smell it, let the power of wealth come to you. As we begin this journey together, envision the endless possibilities ahead. Picture a life free from financial worries, filled with peace and abundance. This isn't just a fantasy. It's within your reach, starting with a simple yet powerful ritual. As you gather your materials, feel the excitement grow. This process is more than just collecting items. It's about forging a connection to the energy of prosperity. Each ingredient and every step you take signals to the universe that you are ready to embrace wealth. By performing this ritual, you are declaring your readiness to welcome abundance into your life. Feel the positive energy as you prepare, knowing that you are on the path to a financially secure and fulfilling future. Begin by finding a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be interrupted. You might want to light a candle to create a peaceful atmosphere and mark the start of this special process. Hold the glass jar in your hands, close your eyes, and take several deep breaths. Allow your mind to relax and your heart to open. Picture yourself living in complete abundance. How does it feel to have everything you need? What do your days look like? What happiness does this new life bring? When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes and proceed with the ritual. As you add each item to the jar, speak your intentions clearly. Begin with the bay leaves. I add these bay leaves to welcome endless protection and abundance into my life. Feel their energy blending with yours. Then, add the garlic cloves. I add these cloves to ensure that this abundance remains protected from any harm. Imagine a strong, radiant shield of light around you. Next, add the cinnamon. I add this cinnamon to enhance the wealth and good fortune in my life. Visualize a path ahead filled with opportunities and blessings. Finally, place the coin or bill into the jar. This coin represents the steady flow of money into my life from all directions and in various forms. Picture streams of gold flowing towards you, filling the jar and spilling over into your world. Once you've added all the ingredients, seal the jar tightly and hold it close to your heart. Feel the warmth and energy radiating from it, symbolizing your new life of prosperity and abundance. Place the jar under your bed, allowing its energy to work while you sleep. Remember, this is just the beginning. The real power lies in your belief and the energy you invest in this practice. Keep your thoughts positive and your heart open, and you'll see abundance flowing into your life effortlessly. As you place the jar under your bed, say aloud, "I am a magnet for money and prosperity. I attract wealth effortlessly and abundantly." Each night as you drift off to sleep, know that this jar is working silently to draw financial blessings into your life. Visualize the jar glowing with a soft light, spreading warmth and wealth into every corner of your existence. Keep faith in the process and watch as your financial situation transforms. But the ritual doesn't end here. To fully embrace this new energy, it's essential to change your mindset and daily habits. Begin each day with gratitude, recognizing the abundance that already exists in your life. Focus on the positive aspects and opportunities around you instead of what you lack. Incorporate affirmations into your daily routine to reinforce the belief that you deserve wealth and abundance. Simple statements like, "I am worthy of financial success," or "I attract prosperity in all forms," can make a big difference. Take inspired actions toward your financial goals, no matter how small they may seem. This could be saving a little more each week, seeking new income opportunities, or investing in your education. Remember, the universe rewards those who align their actions with their desires. By maintaining a positive mindset and taking proactive steps, you'll continue to attract and manifest financial abundance in your life. Now, I'd love to hear from you. How do you feel about starting this journey towards abundance? Share your thoughts, experiences, and questions in the comments below. Let's support each other as we work to manifest our dreams and create lives filled with prosperity and joy. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey. Together, we can transform our lives and embrace a world of limitless possibilities. Here's to a future of abundance, happiness, and financial freedom. Keep believing, keep manifesting, and keep shining your light.